Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yup, let's just get into it. Right now we can see that Bitcoin is currently at $19,250. On the daily time frame on market cipher A, we can see that we have a 21 on the DBSI. Price is starting to come down slowly. Stock market is currently selling off. Well, actually, we're selling off earlier during the day. We are catching a nice bit of a bounce right now around 35.91. Let's see if that's going to be sustained. Again, we are still short oil, making that money, making some very nice gains today as oil starts to pull back. I still expect oil to get a significant pullback, probably around $85 or even lower. After that, we will close our short positions. But again, patience is key. Sometimes you just need to sit on your hands and wait for the price action to develop, right? So for the time being, Bitcoin is chopping sideways as per usual. Very, very low volatility in Bitcoin lately, which is very surprising, as we can see the Nasdaq and the S&P getting all sorts of volatility towards the upside and towards the downside, and Bitcoin is just not moving. It is just consolidating at the moment, getting ready to make its next leg either towards the upside or towards the downside. Again, I am favoring a move towards the downside, but we can never discount the fact that Bitcoin could potentially go back up towards the upside around maybe $25,000. And after that, if we can break that level, we will have a massive move towards the upside, potentially even $30,000 to $35,000. But again, all of this weighs on the Jerome Powell pivoting, stopping printing that money. He just needs to stop himself. He's completely out of control. And yeah, moving on, let's take a look at gold. Gold is getting a nice pullback today, coming down to 1670, failing to hold support around 1681 or 1676 basically. Let's take a look around the shorter time frame, see if we can see anything there. No, again, busting through that support level right there. Again, if gold keeps going towards the downside, I'm going to be looking to get into potentially a long position around 1555, and after that, major support coming in at 1450. And I believe the Fibonacci retracement for gold on the larger time frames, let's take a look right here. Let me take a look at gold. It is around 1450, 1445, basically around these lows right here, the 0.618. That is where I'm going to be getting into a big long position in gold. I believe we're going to get a nice bounce from those levels if the price ever gets there. Again, a lot of this weighs on the DXY, you know, pulling back here. We can see, let's take a look at the DXY on the daily time frame. Yeah, again, the DXY could easily keep coming back up here, make a new high, maybe around 15.5. Again, with these markets, love to form double tops, and we could easily, you know, come back up here, form a double top, come back down, and then, you know, you'll get your double top then. Again, we do have the CPI coming out this Thursday and the PPI coming out on Wednesday, so that's going to be some inflationary data that will have a big effect on the DXY. Excuse me, bullish burps. I'm doing some bullish burps right now, so maybe we are going to get some upside in these markets. But again, you can take a look at a lot of these stock charts are extremely oversold. You can take a look at Meta, for example. Meta is in this channel right now. If Meta keeps going towards the downside, I'm going to be looking to pick it up around maybe $92 around the bottom of this channel. But again, you're forming some sort of bullish divergence at the moment, and I believe a bullish divergence as well on the weekly time frame, not only the daily time frame. Let's take a look at another one right here that we do have going on. We have also just disclosed one position that we are in the Discord is a short on ExxonMobil. Again, we are already in the money on this short position, and we can see that Exxon is coming back down right now and trying to retest this line, this trend line right here as support. Let's see if we can close the daily candle above it. If it holds, we could potentially see some further upside in ExxonMobil. Again, please pay attention to all the Discord alerts that I'm putting out every single day. I'm now sharing my private trades to you guys in the Discord, so that's gonna be quite nice to see for all the big players in the Discord, see if they're gonna make some big bucks as well. But yeah, overall, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin in the short term, but in the long term, 5 to 10 years from now, if you are just an investor, again, I still think that the price will appreciate over time as the Federal Reserve will keep making the same mistake and keep printing money. You know, we'll have high inflation for the end of times. But yeah, let's just be patient, see what develops. I'll catch you guys later. And big thank you to Martin, as always, editing those videos. You're doing a great job. Let's see how he cranks out this one. If you guys want to join the Discord, the link is in the description. And if you guys want to sign up for Big Get Trading, the link is also in the description as well. Love you guys. Peace.